In today's video, let me show you how to fix Facebook Reels not playing. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. If Reels are not playing within your Facebook account, there might be a few reasons to this. The first one is you have turned off the media autoplay. So what I mean by that is if you head over to the hamburger menu or the three lines on the top left, head over to settings and privacy and head over to settings. Underneath the preferences option, you'd be able to see the option called media. So if this option which says autoplay in feed and stories, if this is set to never, this is the exact issue that you're facing. And whenever this is set to never, whenever you open up any sort of reels, it will not automatically play and you need to manually tap on the reels in order for them to play. So this might be the reason that you're facing. So in this situation, you can either set it to Wi-Fi only or mobile data and Wi-Fi as well. Now, if this is not the case with you and if you're still having issues with it, in this situation, this is likely due to a bug or a glitch on your application. So what you can do is just uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. As soon as you do that, you should be able to fix the reels not playing on Facebook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to see you in the next one.